And we begin first up with the latest in the probe into Sambhal clashes. The UP government has formed a 3-member judicial commission to probe the riots that broke out on 24th of November. This commission will be headed by retired High Court Judge D.K. Arora. The UP government has formed this judicial commission to investigate the Sambhal violence, and this commission has been constituted just ahead of the hearing that is set to take place today regarding the Sambhal mosque dispute. So a 3-member judicial commission that's been constituted by the UP government. It will be headed by retired High Court Judge D.K. Arora. The commission has been directed to submit a report after conducting a thorough investigation of the causes of the violence and the related aspects. So this commission that's been formed days after the Sambhal police even submitted its investigation, its report into the Sambhal riots to the UP government. Let's go across to Riyanka, who's tracking the details closely. Riyanka, good morning. The matter is set to be taken up in the top court today. The dispute regarding the Sambhal mosque, if you can first up take us to the directives that came from the lower court regarding the videography of the survey that took place on the 24th.
That's right. We know that the dispute over the Sambhal mosque has in fact led to the violence that ended up killing 4 people, and then it was an entire mess and a crisis that happened in Sambhal. And on that note, this dispute reached the doors of the Supreme Court, where the hearing is slated to take place today. Now, this hearing is happening as the mosque committee had challenged the orders of the lower court, where it was clearly directed that videography of the survey will be done, and when the second survey of the ASI was to be conducted, it was that very day when the locals had come together and they started protesting, fearing the demolition of the mosque, and that led to the entire crisis. So this case has reached the doors of the Supreme Court, where Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna will be taking up the matter, most likely at around 11 a.m. We will be confirming the timing on the Chief Justice Court, but likely it is going to happen at 11 a.m. and we will be having all eyes on what are the challenges that have been, set by the mosque committee in order to somehow put a stay on the orders of the lower court. On the other hand, as we know, a big step by the Uttar Pradesh government that has gone ahead and constituted a 3-member judicial committee in this case. This judicial committee will be headed by Justice D.K. Arora, and also this committee has been, formed just a day ahead, of this hearing. This very committee was formed last midnight, and this committee, which will be led, which comprises of 3 members, they will have to submit a report after conducting a thorough investigation regarding the causes of the violence in this case. So yes, Samiksha, close eye on the Supreme Court hearing as well.
Yes, and Riyanka, if you can quickly run us through the investigation so far as well. 28 arrests have been made while 120 rioters have been identified. Take us through that detailed investigation report that's been submitted by the Sambhal police to the UP government.
Absolutely. The investigation is going on in full swing, and we also had accessed several videos that had come out of the, rioters having guns and other arms and ammunitions at that point in time during the violence that got created at the time of the protest at the Sambhal mosque. On the other hand, the police, which is neck deep in investigation, has also revealed the fact that there were several, rioters who instigated the protest into such a crisis. On the other hand, as you rightly mentioned, and we know that there have been 28 arrests, and there are identifications that are being made for other perpetrators in this case. So yes, on one hand, the investigation by the police going on full swing, and likely on the other hand, we will be seeing how the law in this case takes place.
All right, Riyanka, thank you for the moment. So, Riyanka, they're getting us details of the report submitted to the UP government.